Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how we can create a, how to add a coupon code via link. Suppose we are going to create a URL generate for the coupon code. When you hit this URL, automatically whatever the discount we have in the coupon code, it will apply it into your cart. So let's do it. How we are going to do that? So let me complete the compilation process. That is download. Upgrade. Last command deploy. It's done. Let's We are going to create the URL, that is our domain checkout. I'm going to add the domain over here, up, and this checkout cart coupon slash code is equal to coupon code. So I'm going to generate a new coupon code over here. So let me go to the admin. Here is admin, mail marketing, cart price catalog. Okay, cash, sign in, sales, catalog. We have marketing. Now coupon code, add new rule. Here we have conditions. No rule information is there. Let's go to the cart price rules. Here we have the coupon but not activated. Let's add new rule. Test shop ID. Name description. After name website. All users can add. Specific equipment. Shop 290. Users. Okay, RT conditions, no actions you can add. Fixed amount discount, that is 10 to 3 you can add. Okay, so it's nothing. Let's make it save. After save coupon code, let's go to the add the shop 90 over here. Shop 90. Shop and I'm going to hit this URL. First, I'm going to add it in the cart. Thing, add product to the cart, add it. Now I'm going to hit this URL. You, you use coupon code shop 90. So see, shop 90 coupon code is applied, right? So this is if you can generate this URL and you can send to the any one of your friends. So whenever it has the cart, it will apply that coupon code automatically into your cart, right? So how we are going to do that? How we have done this, right? So let me explain via code. Okay. So let me open the VS Code. Exactly I have done. So let's go to the app code We have coupon code. First of all, we have controller. In controller, what we have done, it's simple one. We have get the code and validate using the validator, right? And items count, shipping address, everything we have calculated. And after this apply, simple, you can add the how to add programmatically coupon code. You can use that functional module also, right? Checking everything validity and add the message that coupon code has been applied successfully, right? Whether the coupon code is valid or not. You can create a route, add it to a controller, and that's it. This is done part, right? After which I have done. So this is very simple. Like I have created a new route, and in new route I have just passed the code and just validating it the coupon code, and if it is valid, then it is applied to your current cart. That's it. Okay. So this is how you can achieve that. So get the code. Here you need to validate whether the coupon code is valid, length is valid, coupon code is valid. After that, check the code. It has the code, items they have, shipping address, billing, shipping rates it has or not. Then set the coupon code. If coupon code is not equal to the get the coupon code, then it is valid false. Else you can set the coupon code and save this method and show the message that coupon code has been applied successfully. Right. So this is how we can generate the link of the coupon code and apply into the current card. Right. So I hope you understand what exactly I have done. If you have any issues, just let me know in the comment section. I will update on the same. Okay. So have a great day. Thank you so much. Please do like, share, and comment. Have a great day.